Users and programs can be assigned more privileges than they require. And malware can take advantage of this. For example, of 940 Android apps sampled, 1/3 of them asked for more privileges than they required. Apps targeting the Android platform can be a major source of malware infection, but one solution is to use third-party software to detect apps that have been assigned excessive privileges. Some systems allow all users to modify their internal structures, and such users today would be considered overprivileged users. This was the standard operating procedure for early microcomputer and home computer systems, where there was no distinction between an administrator or root and a regular user of the system. In some systems, non-administrator users are overprivileged by design, in the sense that they are allowed to modify internal structures of the system. In some environments, users are overprivileged because they have been inappropriately granted administrator or equivalent status. This can be because users tend to demand more privileges than they need, so often end up being assigned unnecessary privileges. Some systems allow code executed by a user to access all rights of that user, which is known as overprivileged code. This was also standard operating procedure for early microcomputer and home computer systems. Malware, running as overprivileged code, can use this privilege to subvert the system. Almost all currently popular operating systems, and also many scripting applications, allow code too many privileges, usually in the sense that when a user executes code, the system allows that code all rights of that user.